In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do step by step. This video should be about just under 1 minute. So let's jump right in this video now without wasting any seconds. So it's going to be very simple. What you're going to have to do here is just to head over here to the Hostinger dashboard, just log in, sign in, and then this is going to direct you to this dashboard. And now what you're gonna have to do is just to click on here, manage, click on manage please. So we're gonna click on manage. Now please here, you just make sure also select the right website. Only have one here. So select your website, and then also if you are in, if you click on overview here, you can select. If you don't click on overview, don't go back to the main menu. Then here we have admin panel. Click on admin panel. If you click on admin panel, this will direct us to actually the WordPress dashboard. So now here we can visit our website. We can, click on post here, check all the posts, add a new post, pages, the appearance, the theme. We can activate a different theme. It is just like the WordPress dashboard, right? Now here on a website in add site, not site, sorry, leave. Here in website auto installer, if it doesn't work for you and you don't see that dashboard, that's probably because you haven't installed WordPress here. Have the option here to delete WordPress. So if you didn't install, you don't have that option, you don't see that option which I showed you recently. Just make sure you install WordPress from here, and if you don't see what I'm talking about is this one here, this admin panel. Okay, so I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.